What's up guys, today we are back with the football match. Let's dive into the game. In today's game we've got a lot of decent players, a lot of goals, a lot of great saves from keepers. So please guys, let me know in the comments your score prediction for today's game. I had a couple of good chances right away, but didn't warm up properly yet. Good interception from myself, and a goal is coming up. Simple finish from myself just to get some confidence. Nice and simple team play and another good goal. And a good fight from myself. I won the ball but didn't finish, unfortunately. We lost the ball there, what the enemy got. Great save from the keeper. Starts the counter-attack. Good ball from the teammate. I'm trying to beat the defender 1v1 now. Almost got it, but missed. Makes sense. Good pass from the teammate. I tried to finish, but good save from the keeper. And what a ball from the teammate, but I, to be honest, didn't expect it at all. Was a great move from the striker and a great finish. I've got the ball there, let's see what I've got, showing some footwork, moving the ball.
You're three.
And I like such games because it's so end-to-end. We've got a counter-attack right away and scoring the goal. Brilliant. I'm doing my defensive duties in this moment. Was trying to block the pass, unlucky, and was trying to block the shot as well, but what a save from the keeper. Show some love to the keeper in the comments because he's been absolute legend to this game. Guys, let me know in the comments what is your favorite skill to beat the defender 1v1 because I really need your help there. Great one to play and run and an amazing finish as well. Well played. I was running and waiting for a pass there and I've got it, but it was a little bit too far. It was inside the box, so I couldn't touch it. So I decided to play it safe and just pass back. A good pass through to me and I'm trying to do something, trying to turn, but good defense. An amazing interception there, and we've got a ball unlucky pass there. Those are really good passes from the enemy team and they've got the chance, but I'm doing my defensive duties. Great pass from the enemy team, they've got a chance, but another good save from our keeper. We start our attack there. I've got a ball and I see my teammate in the middle, so I pass and he was waiting for a pass, but he got a space and a great finish. Great pass and an amazing save from the keeper. These guys, let me know in the comments who is your player of the match so far. Is it keeper? Oh, what an amazing skip from our player, and he hit the post, unlucky. That's a great run.
Nice, hold on. Nice. Nice.
Oh, it was so unlucky, he was so close to save this. Great interception from our team, we have a counter-attack. Great save from their goalkeeper, but I take my chance there. Easy goal. That was a powerful shot and good save. An amazing 1-2 from the enemy team and a great finish as well. I got a ball, let's see what I've got, showing some footwork and looking for teammates. Passing to the middle, good 1-2, but oh, that was so unfortunate pass from myself. I'm running forward to receive the ball and was waiting for a pass, but was unlucky for myself, and we've got punished there. Unlucky. Starting the attack for our team, let's see what I've got. Beat one player, was looking for a pass, but was unlucky pass for myself, and I was working hard to win it back, and the keeper saves my day once again. That is a great play from the enemy team and deserves the goal. Messing around as a last man, which is not ideal, not the safest way to play it, but we've got away with it. Great feed from the enemy player and a great pass. They've got some quality in their team, definitely, but keeper saves the day once again. But not this time.
Oh, nice. You go middle. Line.
And a good save from their keeper.
Unlucky, man.
Oh, that was a bit sloppy, but a good goal. I'll put some pressure on the enemy player, trying to win the ball. It was a decent fight though. I got lucky with the bounce there, trying to beat the defender 1v1, but unfortunately slipped a little bit and didn't make it through. It was a good fight by defender. Now it's my time to be a goalie, and I make a good save right away. It was a powerful shot. And a good save there. Found myself surrounded with the enemies there. I was trying to have my way out and found it with the bus back. The game is so end-to-end at the moment. Guys, please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see the full match video as well, or highlights like this one is more entertaining, more intense and more enjoyable basically. Really curious about this. There's another opportunity for myself, but a great save by the keeper.
You've got time. Yeah. Now come back. Great start. Well, lad. No, you don't know like that.
I got a ball there. What I've got, I'm making a pass, was running to receive the pass as well, but it was a good finish. I've read the pass there and intercepted it. With a lucky touch, but let's see what we've got. I was waiting to pass there, but that was a great pass. I didn't read it fast enough. It's alright. I'll take those easy goals all day long. Wait, was it a nutmeg? It was a nutmeg and a great finish as well. Was it the best goal of the match so far? Please let me know what do you think in the comments.
Manon.
And that's gonna be it for today's match. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.